NDC buy cocoa no adwuma sa akọ form kakra afi ansa na wo buy wo beto adwuma pa omampenda da akofo ye no so enti ama Ghana cocoa ekosoro no na ban ni cocoa akuafo mo pande obetimi aye ama cocoa adwuma no emu apagya Ghana ha se bia obeye
on top of it yema mienu mi se bia matia emi depa and the success of the cocoa rehabilitation project. Thousands of young people are involved. And a decline in cocoa production. A few years ago, they were Western North regions, Eswati, and in fact, we start reviving the cocoa industry here. Cocoa here, major industry. Emma Ghana, Emma Western North has so. But now, for the first time since Akufo's time, we've seen the cocoa output go beyond 1 million tons. And it looks as if program here, they are so for cocoa production also, so it's going to maintain that level. In fact, increasing it as we go along. Now, I can see, sir, cocoa rehabilitation project, replanting, killing the disease and replanting, events, cash crops and so but that one, whilst their farms are under a very well thought out plan and it's been well implemented. Okay. So I'm saying I'm very, very happy.
Nah. Omampani Echo Western North no okasa wo Liberty FM ya wo mu ye nuanom e wo Western North wo no mo twetwe nkomo no mu bi eni omampani san kan say wa hye kokko akuafo bo say wo mu sika no a wonya no wo mo tene nkakra de ato ho se be ya wo mo mpani mfie so no ana wo ma homigye mu no yakuani grade we daje na home wo mpani mfie so ho no wo mo benya empatisika de ama wonom ne beboa ama ne nyina nso so akoyie
for one contribution 1 year to the national economy and have a brow on a no too many times for 1 year na also, I think this initiative is going to be rolled out here. Okay. And we said we were going to do it. Now we are on the verge of getting our cocoa board. About what they say about it. Minister Cocoa for cocoa board leadership is to begin to approach. Said we should give the cocoa board special allocations of land which will be dedicated for youth in cocoa development. It's another very important initiative. They're working on it.
Ne kwakwa mu na mampani eka che na nanu makuafo se obi anya abotre enkanka ne wonu a ewo Western North oso o makwa ne sei wo ba be yakwa ni nyina e de ama o munzonzu yakwan wo be ye ya free matre ekwa Asante Kromu sei so obeye ho nyina kama suibo di kwan o so obeye ni nyina ama bibia ya kama ntakuafo no obi anka na koma nto ne yam.
Some roads are being done, famous roads. We also are contemporary road here, and there are several others. Also, contractors do also 1 year. Yeah, so I think very soon we will have a much better road network for Western North. Let's see, also Western North here, the source of a lot of wealth for the country. Rubber, say. It's necessary and so infrastructure now be up to the value of the output and the production.
Ghana mampani nana adodankwa Akufo Addo na sanse mi nyina yenua na Tibongo ya wo Liberty FM ene boa no maaye Professor Sam
I am not trying to say everything is well and perfect in Ghana. I will be a fool to say that. But I'm trying to say in some kitty be a yamana baby and some kakaka Emma Ghana for against Omunya Ghana crom no. It is being fueled by false propaganda. That is my problem. Because everywhere you are now, baby, I will be so to find that. Catch me say, muhu and chill during the COVID period. And even now, mun can tell me say, oh, UK, catch me. So, oh boy, UK, yeah. And you are in UK, no one placards, about na bonting, say, I fix the country. Because I say, oh, yeah, against also, me against Ghana. Aren't you stupid? Aren't you stupid yourself? Boris Johnson crowd will problem ever COVID. Boris Johnson, my whole prime minister no, was having issues with COVID. had problems, he had to answer. Our parliament. And no who UK need better for placards to fix the country. A Ghana the air time because of politics and the Maka MPP communicators. If you do not echo, if you do not amplify a Juma Maya, NDC for no any propaganda, best say a Juma and another because at any point in time, Biano, on the scandal, be batam. Now, poor Akako Pelona or they back Commander Sugar Factory. Now, NDC for sorry, hey, the government never called because one Commander Sugar Factory, no, never horn or say no. You see this kind of stupidity? This is propaganda. This is what the NDC is known for. And no matter targeted an Addo, free SHS for now, what grooming omono, they have targeted them and on the hashtag not to omutrim. In Tinkwalana, you only Benyan say, we square in your Duman yet, because Captain Smart aka, or Kataja Free Faka, Avram Ben Moshiaka. So now their mind is, or 2 weeks per problem about. This is what is going on. And NDC, for your mother say, Senipa mi ensape na Kasadiama MPP dia. Omo de drone be twamwa magana for ati. Only 3 people are speaking for MPP. Canada Japan, Kusibuafu Abronye. Abronye de mwedi na tema, but the guy is speaking the truth. Segeyenya sanko for sasu makuma kutena anka Ghana for free Accra anko Boliga. They will know the good works Nanado aye, even in this COVID. Even in this COVID. COVID we more than Numa Kese Eba Ghana just to give opportunity for people to be employed. Now unemployment rate in Swati. COVID we more. Niza nomine Sino track Muba Ghana. Still it was during this COVID. Because Ghana was viable for business. Inti mama NDC for that can trust our propaganda school. O maya ye timwa ebi mu se ye de ye kwakire kofo se bi si twantro. Eno pe me se o maya ye tim na me re ko ya se me tia Lote Jacob timi ka kire Ghana fo nyina se Charles Barron, and your point exactly is even almighty America borrows from China and Canada as well as nonsense. Oh please. And I mean person me did you attempt to they will make you a suggestion now. I will read it, don't worry. I'll read it. The world is not in good shape. The world is sick. The global economy is sick. And you Ghana nkwa ntiba umiammo ye te said ye Captain Smart air cano. No. IMF about Ababeka, and you can go and check on IMF official website. Since 1930, the Great Depression nearby, an economic shrinking to say 2020, 4.4%. And this is what get your facts right. IMF now, they came out and say we are seeing the global economy shrunk 4.4%. It being seen that since 1930, during the Great Depression, and open economy, US economy now,